Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this official website, so you can download a driver. After that right hand side, this is search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of your graphic card. AORUS GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Elite 12G. After that click on the product and you can click on this Gigabyte graphic card title name. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, which is using Windows 10 11, and both operating system installations process same. So this is your driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download options. Okay, it will complete it, then just click on the three dot and after that click on download tab. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed, then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity and then next to install, next and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next license options, then here to step finished, and after that also completed driver, then restart your system.